Okay, so anybody have any questions or how are things going? Any questions? Everyone's doing okay? Anybody stuck on anything? What's up?
The math expression.
Sure. Okay, you want to see it?
Yeah.
Math expression? All right. Let me just name this previous one. This was homework review, HW review. There we go. So I'll start my SQL shell, Postgres. Get rid of that. And move this over and make it bigger. Woo! And log in. Have to remember my password. And now I'm going to do \L to look at my databases. I have a sample database, so I could change into sample. And then I could do \D to look at my tables. I have customers and I have workers. And so for the math expression one, that was right here. We have order ID, order quantity, and item price. So I'm going to create table orders. And then I'm going to have OID and int and primary key and not null. And then we're going to have order quantity. And maybe I'll change this to order. And by the way, I'm no rock star with SQL. It's my first time teaching this class. So if you see me doing something wrong, point it out. Maybe I'm doing it on purpose to see if anybody catches it. Probably not. Order quantity, and so order quantity is going to be an int, and we'll also make that not null. You can't have an order. You can't have an order that doesn't have a quantity. You can't order nothing. We're going to make that as a business rule. And then we have item price.
Well, isn't null not nothing? It's just an unknown. That's what the book says.
Yeah.
So you could have null, right? Theoretically.
Well, we're saying not null. Oh, you could have 0.
Well, no, null. They say that null is not 0 or nothing.
Yeah, but we're saying not null, so you can't have a order with a quantity that's not null. We could have 0. So if we really wanted to do that at the end, we could add a check, order quantity is greater than 0. I think that's how we do a check at the end. We could add that in and we could try it. We'll look it up. And then the last one is item price. And I'm thinking that item price probably is going to, if we were to build this correctly, come from a different table. So that's why I didn't throw order in front of it. Like item price would have been in a thing of inventory or something. It would be inventory item price or right, whatever. And that would just be a list of everything we sell. And then there'd be some kind of connecting table. And we'd actually be storing a inventory ID here, maybe, to find the price. Or they'd already be connected and we join them on the IDs and then we get the price. That's what I was thinking. Item price is going to be int, not null. And then for check, did we already see check anywhere? Have we seen check yet, or is that past chapter 5? So check is, and again, well, I'm just going to see what happens, see if I'm remembering it. Check order quantity is greater than 0. And it doesn't like that, so I got to look up check. So I'm just going to the index of the book. And I'm looking for, I think we might be able to do it this way faster. Find check. Okay, so salary real, check salary greater than 0. So we do it right in the field. And so I'm going to bring that back up. And I want check order quantity greater than 0. And then we're going to have, last one is going to be item price, int, not null, check, item price greater than 0. See, hey, it did it. So that's the check right there. Kind of cool. So now if I try to insert into orders, and I could do the field names here and then values, right? So I could list those field names, but if I'm inserting into the table the same order, the values in the same order as the fields, I don't have to put those fields. So I'm just going to skip that. Insert into order values 1 and quantity 4 and price 7. Ooh, 0. No new row for relation orders violates check constraint. Orders item price check. Failing row contains 140. Ah, thank you. That's supposed to be 10. So I inserted a record, and I could do select star from orders, and there is the record. And now I could also do select, and what's this one supposed to do? Math expression. Order number, quantity, price, total. So select, let me do this first so I can see all my tables. And I'm going to do detail orders. And now I'm going to do, oh, that's kind of cool. There's my indexes. I don't think that's right. I think it's supposed to be indices. Not English people who built this. And then we have our constraints there. And now I could do my select order ID as order number, and I want order quantity as, am I doing anything wrong? And then I want price and then we want total. And so we're going to have order quantity times item price as total. Is that right? Ah, from orders. Good catch. Is that right? How many people say that's right? Odor ID. Ah, good catch. Nice job, Edwin. Is that right? Computers are painfully precise at times. Let's see. Sweet. So we got order number 1, quantity 4, price 10, total 40. That's nice. I like that exercise.